Yeah, you know parking garages, when you pull up to them. Everybody's been to a parking garage. You know, you pull up to a gate. There's a little box there. You press a button, you get a ticket, and you drive through. So I pull up to this box, and I push the button. And there's no ticket. So I push the button again. Still no ticket. So then I'm trying to read the directions and I see there's some other buttons. But now I'm pushing all the buttons, There's still no ticket. Now I'm using all kinds of new words I haven't used in a long time, and I'm pushing buttons and I'm banging on this thing. As when all of a sudden out of the speaker I hear this voice. And says, "Can I help you? My name is Charlie." And I say, "Charlie, I'm having one of those days where I'm pushing buttons and nothing's happening." And I push the button so he knows I know where the button is. No ticket. Charlie says to me, I'm having one of those days. That's my life, actually, just pushing buttons and nothing's happening. And I'm sorry to hear that, Charlie. Is there anything I can do for you? And Charlie says, "Well, thanks a lot. Nobody usually asks what anybody can do for me. There's always asking what I have to do for them." And all of a sudden we hear all the horns behind us. Everyone's beeping their horn. They're getting frustrated because I'm just standing there and they want to get in. So I open up my window and I yell back to everybody, "Hey, I'm trying to give Charlie some love here. Calm down." Charlie says, "Thanks." All of a sudden I hear a beeping sound and there's the ticket. I said, "Well, Charlie, I don't know. I couldn't really help you much." He said, "No, thanks a lot. I appreciate it." I said, "Well, I hope your day gets better." He says, "Yeah, I'm going to have some fun with those drivers behind you." I said, "What's going to happen?" "Well, they're going to push the button. And there's not going to be a ticket, and I'll come on and I'll say, push the button. There won't be a ticket. Push the button. Why don't you push the button?" Yeah, thank you for using Serenity Garage. That's right. Push the button if you need filler help. Push the button. Push. Push the button.